Hi and welcome to My Quaint Cottage. I'm Jessica and today we're in the kitchen and we're going to make fruited chicken salad. Please excuse my voice, I am getting over being sick, but I really wanted to share this recipe with you. This is a great recipe year-round. However, around this time of year, it is especially helpful to use up a lot of leftover turkey from Thanksgiving and Christmas. For this recipe, you will need chicken or turkey already cooked and sliced up or shredded. You'll also need some apples and some grapes. Other ingredients that you will need are mayonnaise, mustard, salt, and pepper. Now I'm just going to go ahead and get started by cutting up all these grapes and apples. This recipe really is very easy and I'm just eyeballing it, but I will leave the exact measurements in the description box below. I can add the mayonnaise, mustard, salt, and pepper. My favorite mayonnaise to use for this is avocado mayonnaise. However, I have company coming and this is for a party, and so I'm using Duke's mayonnaise because I know the company that I'm having really prefers this particular brand. That's how easy it is to make. I'm going to be serving these on croissants because this is again for our Christmas party. Chicken salad is a family favorite at our house. If you have a similar recipe, I'd love to hear about it in the comments below. If you've never tried it, it is really good and I encourage you to give it a go. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe below. Don't forget to hit the bell for notifications of new video uploads. As always, have a blessed day. Bye-bye.